Welcome to another exciting tutorial video. Today we'll explore UGT IPTV together. First, visit 2tv.store for the best IPTV. UGT IPTV offers numerous channels for everyone. Let's follow a simple step-by-step guide. Step 1 is to choose your subscription plan. Once chosen, proceed to create an account. You will receive a confirmation email soon. Now download the UGT IPTV app. Install the app by following the prompts. Open the app once installation is complete. Log in with the credentials created earlier. Now you are ready to explore channels. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Nancy is available to assist you via live support. Simply check 2tv.store for further assistance. She will guide you through any installation issues. Remember to keep your account details safe. Enjoy viewing your favorite shows on UGT IPTV. We're thrilled to bring this tutorial to you. A world of entertainment is just a click away. Don't forget to like and subscribe now. Thank you for watching our UGT IPTV guide. Share your experience and thoughts in comments.